The allure of YouTube as a platform for expression and income is undeniable. However, not everyone is comfortable appearing on camera. Enter the concept of a faceless YouTube channel, a digital stage where creators share content without revealing their identities. This intriguing approach not only preserves privacy, but also taps into creative storytelling techniques. Faceless channels cater to a diverse array of audiences, focusing on content rather than the creator's appearance. The flexibility and creative freedom offered by a faceless approach allow creators to experiment with various narratives and styles. From animation channels to tutorial hubs, the possibilities are vast and varied. The following sections will guide you through creating your own faceless YouTube channel, ensuring you have all the tools and knowledge at your disposal. Initiating a faceless YouTube channel begins with strategic planning and a clear understanding of your goals. First, decide on the channel's theme or focus. This foundational step will guide your content creation and audience engagement strategies. Next, create a compelling channel name and logo that reflect your channel's ethos. These elements become your identity and should resonate with the target demographic you intend to attract. Once the branding is established, set up your YouTube channel through Google. This process involves technical steps like verifying your account and optimizing channel settings for visibility. Pay special attention to SEO by incorporating relevant keywords into your channel's description and video tags. Content planning follows, requiring you to draft a consistent and engaging upload schedule. Consistency is key in building an audience. Plan your content calendar to include regular uploads that keep your audience engaged. Finally, invest in good quality software and hardware that will help you create high-quality content. Remember, the quality of your content can significantly influence your channel's success. Choosing the right niche is critical for the success of any YouTube channel, especially a faceless one. Popular niches that thrive without a personal presence include animated storytelling and educational content. Another thriving area is the listicle format, which includes top 10 videos and myth-busting sessions. Moreover, relaxation and ASMR channels have seen a rise in popularity. Gaming is another lucrative niche where the gameplay captures the audience's interest more than the gamer's personality. Lastly, virtual reality and technology reviews offer an engaging platform to discuss the latest advancements. Each of these niches has a vast audience base and potential for growth. By aligning your channel with one of these popular categories, you can attract viewers who are specifically interested in your content style and subject matter. Section 4. Content Creation. Mastering the art of invisible presence. Creating engaging content without showing your face involves a blend of creativity, technology, and strategic storytelling. Start by scripting your videos meticulously. A well-written script is the backbone of any successful faceless video. Pay close attention to the tone and language to keep your scripts lively and relatable. For visual variety, incorporate animations, stock footage, and dynamic text overlays. Tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender can be used for creating animations, while platforms like Canva offer user-friendly interfaces for text and image editing. Voiceover is another critical component. A clear, pleasant voice can significantly enhance your video's appeal. If you're not comfortable with your voice, consider hiring voiceover artists. Ensure your audio quality is top-notch by using a good microphone and sound editing software. Lastly, keep your videos interactive by encouraging viewer participation through questions, calls to action, or interactive polls. Section 5. Useful Tools. Leveraging technology for enhanced production. To produce high-quality faceless videos, leveraging the right tools is non-negotiable. For video editing, software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro offers advanced features. For those on a budget, free tools like Shotcut and DaVinci Resolve provide excellent alternatives. For animation, software like Toon Boom Harmony and Adobe Animate are industry standards. Additionally, graphic design tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are essential for creating custom thumbnails and channel art. Screen recording software is also vital, especially for tutorial and review channels. Lastly, consider using project management tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of your production schedule and video ideas. Section 6. Tips and Tricks. Ensuring a smooth and legal journey. Maintaining a faceless YouTube channel while ensuring all content is copyright-free requires diligence. Always use royalty-free or properly licensed music and visuals for your videos. Websites like Epidemic Sound, Audio Jungle, and Pixabay offer extensive libraries of music and stock footage. Be sure to read and understand the terms of use to avoid any legal issues. It's also important to stay updated with YouTube's policies and guidelines. Regularly review changes in copyright laws and YouTube's content policies. Engage with your community without revealing your identity by maintaining active communication. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and participate in community tabs and social media with your channel's brand voice. Lastly, consider diversifying your content and platform presence to broaden your audience reach. Section 7. Conclusion: kickstarting your faceless YouTube adventure. Embarking on your journey to create a faceless YouTube channel can be both exciting and challenging. With the right approach, tools, and understanding of the platform, you can create a successful channel that captivates and educates without ever showing your face. Remember, the key to success in the digital world is consistency, creativity, and adaptability. Utilize the steps and tips outlined in this guide to build your channel from the ground up. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Now, why wait? Start planning, create compelling content, and launch your faceless YouTube channel to share your unique voice and vision with the world.